In this demonstration, we are going to install Euclid Print for the use with GoHCL labels. We will be using the Windows 10 operating system, Google Chrome, and the Euclid Cadet USB printer. We will begin installing Euclid Print by logging into GoHCL labels. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see the profile icon with a drop-down box. When clicked, select Download Euclid Print. Notice the program downloading in the lower left corner of the window. When the download is complete, click on the name of the file to launch the Euclid Print setup wizard. When the window appears asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click on Yes. After a brief moment, the software setup wizard will appear. Click on Next to begin. The license agreement will appear. Feel free to read through it. When finished and you agree to the terms, click on I agree to continue. When the Choose Component slide appears, only one option will be available, Euclid Print. Make sure there is a check in the box and click on Next to continue. The next slide will ask you where you wish to install the software. Unless it's necessary to change the location, keep the default setting and click on Install. Connect the Cadet to your computer using a USB cable and is turned on. Notice a check in the box to run Euclid Print. Click on Finish and the program will launch. A pop-up will then appear notifying you that the machine is not found, asking if you would like to add one. Click Yes. The Add Printer wizard window will appear. If it is a newer Euclid machine, the unit serial number will auto-populate. If more than one serial number appears, select the corresponding number, then click Add Printer. A message should appear saying the machine was added. After you click on OK, click on Tools, then Printer Settings in the Euclid Print window. Now click on the drop-down box under Port and verify your machine is selected, and close the window. Now go back to GoHCL labels. Create or bring up a label design for the Euclid printer. Click on Print. Review or enter data for your label. At the bottom of the page, select the number of labels you wish to print, then click on Print again. Preview your label, and if satisfied, click on Print once more. A message should appear saying the file was successfully generated at the top of the window. If a message appears saying your browser blocked a pop-up from gohcllabels.com, or you notice there is no activity after you click Print, click on the pop-up alert icon and select Always Allow. Then click on Done and Print. Click on the HCLE file name that just downloaded in the lower left corner. After a moment, the Euclid program window should open. Verify the information on the label, then click Print. The number of packages will appear. This will carry over from your entry in GoHCL labels. If you wish, you can change the value. Click on Print again. When the printer is ready, click Start. The green light right of the printer button on the Cadet control panel should stop blinking and glow solid. Press and hold the cycle mode button until the machine starts printing and the continuous light is glowing. As the Cadet is printing, a status bar will show how much of the job is completed. If for any reason you need to, you can click on Cancel Job. We hope you find the instructions on how to print to the Euclid printer using GoHCL labels helpful. If you had any difficulties or have a suggestion for a future video, feel free to contact us using the information in the closing screen.